Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the same chapter, exponent and power. Exercise 13.2 we were doing. Yes, yesterday we had discussed 3 laws of exponent. Can you tell me that law? Anyone? Yes, Anmol, Aryan, Guneet, Jalash, Manraj, Mitul. Yes, anyone? Raise your hand. Satvik, Shreya, Sanya, Prabnoor. बच्चे मैंने अनम्यूट किया है, बोलो। मैंने बोलो बोलो। यस, फर्स्ट लॉ।
मैम फर्स्ट लॉ है
Then the powers are added.
Yes, if the base are same and the terms are multiplying, then the power will be added. What about if the base are same and they are dividing? Yes, Janvi and
when powers will be subtracted.
yes. If the base are same and the terms are dividing, then power will be subtracted. And one more law we have discussed. If we have two powers, then both the powers, yes, Guneet, Jalash,
will be multiplied.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Then we multiply.
A raised to power m whole raised to power n is equal to A raised to power mn. Got it? Nonihal, very good. You have on your video. Keep it on. Okay, so 3 laws we have already discussed. Now let's start with 13.2, question number 1, fifth part. 5 raised to power 2 whole raised to power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 3. Which law we will use here? Which law we will use here? A raised to power m raised to power n is equal to A raised to power m. A raised to power m whole raised to power n is A raised to power mn. 5 raised to power 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 raised to power 3. Base is same, power will be subtracted. So which law we will use here? A raised to power m divided by A raised to power n, A raised to power m minus n. So this is 5 raised to power 3. The question is, leave the answer in exponential form. So that's your answer. If the question is simplified, then you will completely solve it. You will multiply the terms 3 times. Eighth part, 3 raised to power 4 whole raised to power 3. Which law is this? Yes. हरमन बोलो बेटा. No response. Yes, Prabnoor, Sanya, Mitul. A raised to power m whole raised to power n is A raised to power mn. 3 raised to power. So answer is 3 raised to power 12. Ninth part, 2 raised to power 20 2 raised to power 50 into 2 raised to power 3. Base is same, terms are dividing, so you will use a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, a raised to power m minus a. So it will be base. Bache, keep this thing in mind. The thing which is occurring 2 times, you will write it once. 2 is occurring 2 times, so you will write it once. A is occurring 2 times, so I have written a as 1 time. So 2 you will write 1 time and the power will be divided. Subtract the power. Which law you will use here? Which law you will use here? Yes, hurry up. Hurry up, beta. Base is same. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is a raised to power m plus n. So base is same. Power will be added. 2 raised to power 5 plus 3. That is 2 raised to power 8. Is it okay? Start the next law. If the base are same and the terms are multiplying, then the power will be added. One more law is there. If the base is different but the power is same, if power is same, that means the power is occurring 2 times, so you will write the power 1 time. So write the fourth law. Fourth law, a raised to power m multiply by b raised to power n. Base is different, but the power is same. If the power is same, that is occurring 2 times, so you will combine the base and the power will be written 1 time. ठीक है? जैसे बेस 2 बार अकर करता है तो आप 1 टाइम लिखते हो. Here the power is occurring 2 times, so you will combine the power and you will write it once. Okay, now solve the question. That is your question number 1. 6th part. 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5 into 5 raised to power 5. A raised to power m, b raised to power m. Base is different, but the power is same, so it will become ab raised to power m. So you will multiply the base and multiply हो रहा है तो multiply, divide हो रहा है तो divide, and the power will be written once. 2 5s are 10, 10 raised to power 5. Let's discuss few more questions related to this law so that it will be clear to you all. Wait. Two raised to power 3 into a raised to power 3. Four raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 3. Base are different, they are multiplying, so it will become 2a 4 raised to power 3. And answer is 8a cube. 2 ka cube 8, a cube is 8. This is 4 into 2 whole raised to power 3, 8 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 5 into b raised to power 5. 2b raised to power 5. A raised to power 2 into t raised to power 2. A square into t square. it will become AT, base are multiplying, power will be AT square. Minus 5 raised to power 6, 3 raised to power 6. Minus 5 into 3 raised to power 6. 5 3s are 15 raised to power 6. Any doubt? Jalas, do you have any doubt? Lakshya, do you have any doubt? Doubt है?
मैम ये जो पार्ट्स में हमने लिखा है ए, जैसे क्वेश्चन के बाद लिखा है ए की पावर m डिवाइडेड बाय ए की पावर n इज इक्वल टू a m माइनस n, तो मैम ये लिखना जरूरी है कि ना लिखे चाहे?
कौन सा बेटा, कौन सा?
मैम जैसे ये लिखा नहीं है 6th पार्ट में a की पावर m इंटू b की पावर m इज इक्वल टू,
लिखना है, फॉर्मूला है ये, यही फॉर्मूला तो आप यूज
Okay,
कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू राइट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, always enter with your own name and class. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Okay, Nanji. Yes. Yes, listen one more thing. Do you have any doubt in first 4 laws of exponent? Do you have any further doubt? Yes, Guneet?
मैम कल मेरे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से क्लास नहीं लग पाई थी, बहुत ही ज्यादा नेटवर्क
Repeat,
खराब.
repeat, not getting your voice. Repeat.
मैम कल नेटवर्क की वजह से मेरी क्लास नहीं लग पाई, तो बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब था, तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं देख पाई, तो आप कल का थोड़ा सा.
आप लोग बात सुनो बेटा, मैं ये सब कुछ जो भी मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किया वही है, यही किया था कल भी,
ओके
यही किया था,
Okay.
यही किया था.
मैम लॉज बता दो.
एक मिनट, ये देखो, ये फर्स्ट लॉ, ऐसे वाला फर्स्ट लॉ है जो मैंने सबसे पहले आपके साथ करवाया है. इसमें बेस सेम होता है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है, पावर प्लस हो जाती है. बेस सेम होता है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, पावर माइनस हो जाती है. अभी मैं और क्वेश्चन करवाती हूँ, उसमें बताती जाऊंगी, आप फिर से देख लेना, फिर भी डाउट होगा तो आप पूछ लेना. एंड लिसन वन मोर थिंग, कल की वीडियो चैनल पे है, आप देख लो वहां से, ठीक है? दोबारा देख लेना वीडियो, एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर टू यू. एंड इफ यू विल स्टिल हैव एनी डाउट, वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो. ठीक है? मैं सारे साइड बाय साइड सब कुछ बताती हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं एक एक लॉ जहां जहां यूज होगा वहां लिखूंगी और बताऊंगी, आप सुनो. अच्छा, आप देखो इधर, अब एक और लॉ डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. जैसे कि फोर्थ है, सेम फिफ्थ भी है. फिफ्थ में बेटा ये सेम है, ये मल्टीप्लाई की जगह अगर डिवाइड हो जाए तो बेस डिफरेंट है लेकिन पावर सेम है, तो ये डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लाई था तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, डिवाइड है तो डिवाइड कर दिया. जैसे 2 raised to power 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 raised to power 3, तो 2/3 की पावर 3 डिवाइड हो रहा है ना, तो पावर 2 बार लिखी हुई है तो 1 बार लिख देनी है. और देखो, -5 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2, बेस आर डिफरेंट, डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो डिवाइड कर दो, और पावर सेम है, कंबाइन कर दो. इज इट ओके? एनी डाउट इन दिस? चलो ये सॉल्व करो. 4 raised to power 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 raised to power 5. Base are different but the power is same, the terms are dividing. Yes, Samriddhi wants to give the answer. Very good, Samriddhi. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 4/3 raised to power 5.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, bete. 4/3 raised to power 5. Is it okay? Now do few more questions. 2 raised to power 5 divided by b raised to power 5 minus 2 raised to power 3 divided by b raised to power 3. Solve this. Yes, Guneet. Can you answer this? Yes, Himanshi, very good.
Yes, ma'am. 2 by b raised to power 5.
Very good. Thank
Ma'am.
you, beta. Anji, Jalash.
Ma'am, next will be minus 2 over b raised to power 3.
Minus 2
Over
minus,
b raised to power 3.
yes, very good. 2 by
2 over b.
raised to power 5. Here minus 2 by b raised to power 3. Please speak up the rule side by side so that you can learn it.
मैम
Always write the
मैम सारे
yes.
मैम सारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे ही करने हैं
अभी बेटे ये तो इजी है, अभी थोड़े डिफिकल्ट आएंगे, अभी तो ये स्टार्टिंग है।
मैम फिफ्थ लॉ मतलब ऐसे ही करना है ना फिफ्थ लॉ
करने ऐसे ही है लेकिन क्वेश्चन बड़े बड़े आएंगे, छोटे बच्चे नहीं हो ना आप, 7th क्लास में, ठीक है। अभी ये एक क्वेश्चन में दो तीन लॉ इकट्ठे यूज होंगे, बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन आएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, वी विल डू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, यू ऑल विल बी एक्सपर्ट टू डू दीज क्वेश्चन। हैव यू रिटन दिस लॉ? Have you written this? You will write this law, all the 5 laws in your notebook, and few more are there that we will discuss side by side. And Guneet, do watch the video of yesterday so that you will learn the remaining things that are pending from your side. Now do this. Base are different but the powers are same. तो कोई बात नहीं, पावर डबल है, दैट यू विल राइट वंस, आंसर विल बी p q रेज्ड, ऐसे लिखो या ऐसे लिखो, बोथ आर सेम, डोंट वरी, बोथ आर सेम। ये डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, डिवाइड में लिख के पावर विल बी रिटन वंस। ओके, हैव यू चेक्ड योर आंसर? Okay, now let's start with question number 2. The question is simplify and express each in the exponential form. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करना है, सिंप्लीफाई मतलब कटिंग अगर पॉसिबल है तो कर दो। 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. Write the remaining things. What is 8 here? 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Is it okay? So can I write it as 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3, and here 3 into 2 raised to power 8 can be written as 2 cube. ये कैंसिल हो गया, and the pending is 3 raised to power 3 upon 3. 3 का मीनिंग क्या है? 3 raised to power 1. अब ये क्या हो रहे हैं? ये क्या हो रहे हैं बेटा? ये क्या हो रहे हैं आपस में? डिवाइड. Base are same, they are dividing, so you will use the law. Base is occurring 2 times, divide हो रहे हैं, power will be subtracted. Three raised to power 2. That is, you will leave the answer as it is because the question is write in the exponential form. So you will leave the answer as it is. I am explaining again. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. 8 can be written as 2 cube and rest of the things I have written same. Both will cancel out. We are left with 3 cube upon 3 raised to power 1. Base is same. Divide, they are dividing, so power will be subtracted. Which law we have used here? A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Okay. सबसे पहले कौन सा लॉ यूज करोगे आप इसमें? सबसे पहले आपको कौन सा लॉ लग रहा है यहाँ यूज होगा? ये वाला, a रेज टू पावर m होल रेज टू पावर n. क्या होता है? a रेज टू पावर n. बोथ द पावर विल बी मल्टीप्लाई. 2 3s are 6. अब इसके बाद ब्रैकेट है, और ब्रैकेट में कौन सा यूज होगा फॉर द मल्टीप्लीकेशन? a रेज टू पावर m into a raised to power n. Base is same and the powers are different, so you will add the power. तो ये हो जाएगा 5 raised to power 4 plus 6 is 10 divided by 5 raised to power 7. डिवाइड में कौन सा लॉ यूज होता है? a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. डिवाइड में क्या होता है? माइनस m raised to power a raised to power m minus n. तो 5 raised to power 10 minus 7, 5 raised to power 3. Nonihal, is it okay? Is it clear to you? Done? Done, beta? Any doubt? Question number 2, third part. Twenty-five raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 3. Now 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Can we write 25 as 5 into 5? 5 into 5 means 5 square. Is it okay? 25 can be written as 5 square. Now this is a raised to power m whole raised to power n is a raised to power mn. Multiply kar do 5 4 2s are 8. We are dividing a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m. Terms are dividing and the base are same, so the power will be subtracted. So here you will get 5 raised to power 8 minus 3, that is 5 raised to power 5. No need to solve because the question is of leave the answer in exponential form. Fourth part, 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to power 8, 21 into 11 raised to power 3. Look here, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So we are left with 7 square, 11 raised to power 8, 7 into 11 raised to power 3. Now, these two 7 have the same base and they are dividing. So can I write 7 raised to power 2 minus 1? And this 11 is again dividing. 11 can be written as 8 minus 3. 7 into 11 raised to power 5. So this is your answer. Which law we have used here? A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is a raised to power m minus. The law that you are using, that you have to write side by side. So today you will do all these part at your own in your rough notebook, and the homework I will send you, your class in charge will send you, that you will do in the field notebook. And today you will do practice of all these questions at home. जो भी आज किया है, examples किए हैं, try these भी किए हैं, ठीक है? And these 5-6 questions. So in total you will, I think, have 12-13 questions that you will do in the rough, and 3 questions are there for the homework that you will do in the fair. Three raised to power 7. In the denominator, base is same, power will be added. So you will write here a raised to power m, a raised to power n, a raised to power m plus n. So this is 3 raised to power 7, 3 raised to power 7, both will cancel out, answer is 1. Okay.
मैम क्वेश्चन सेकंड का फर्स्ट पार्ट खोल के कर सकते हैं मैम ऐसे?
कर सकते हैं, अगर ये लिखा हो राइट द लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट तो वही यूज करना है, नहीं लिखा तो जैसे मर्जी कर सकते हैं. If it is written that use the law of exponent, then it's compulsory to use. Otherwise, you can do as the way you know. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
One more law, that is new law. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. देखो इधर 100 की पावर 0 1, 10 की पावर 0 1, 1000 की पावर 0 1, 99 की पावर 0 1, 50 की पावर 0 1. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now in the sixth part, 2 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 0, and 4 raised to power 0. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 3 raised to power 0 is 1, 4 raised to power 0 is 1. Answer is 3. Yes, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 3 raised to power 0 is 1. 4 raised to power 0 is 1. Answer is 1. Any doubt?